Spending too much on tools eats into your bottom line, but Prime Day presents the ideal moment to refresh your collection without emptying your wallet. This year's sale showcases incredible discounts across power tools, hand tools, organizational solutions, and workshop gear. Whether you're a weekend tinkerer, seasoned pro, or someone who just needs reliable equipment for occasional fixes, we've curated this list of the best Prime Day bargains that combine real savings with genuine quality and reliable performance. Read on to find the standout offers before they're gone.
Grillian 7-in-1 BBQ Spatula. Grab this multi-purpose grilling tool for $19.99, down from $29.99, 33% discount. One tool replaces 7: spatula, fork, bottle opener, scraper, meat tenderizer, vegetable knife, and steak knife combined. The oak handle provides excellent grip and control during your cookouts. Grillian Electric Grill Brush. At $89.99, you're saving 31% from the $129.99 original price. A 600 RPM motor powers this cleaning device, while the integrated soap dispenser handles the chemistry. Swap between chain and wire brush heads as needed, and store everything in the included carrying case. Temp Pro TP30 Infrared Thermometer, just $18.98, 35% off from $28.99. This non-contact temperature gun reads from -58 degrees Fahrenheit to 1022 degrees Fahrenheit, featuring a 12:1 distance-to-spot ratio for safe, accurate measurements from several feet away. 4 clamps for $13.27, representing a 34% reduction from $19.99. These adjustable 90-degree clamps work with materials measuring 3/16 to 1/4 inches thick, ideal for woodworking and construction projects. Craftsman 230-piece mechanics tool set. Invest in professional-grade tools at $129, 35% off $199. This expansive collection includes SAE and metric options across 1/4, 1/8, and 1/2-inch drives, all organized in a VersaStack storage system. Precoil 132 tool set, priced at $47.46, a 32% discount from $69.99. This portable kit includes an 8V cordless drill with built-in LED, delivering 800 maximum RPM for household repairs and smaller projects. $18.98 represents a 37% savings on the $29.99 tag. This 10-inch measuring device locks precisely to copy complex shapes, perfect for flooring and tile installation work. Transform painting jobs at $37.97, 37% below $59.99. 4 interchangeable nozzles and 3 spray patterns provide flexibility across different surfaces and finish types. At $60.79, you'll save 24% from $79.99. This brushless powerhouse delivers 1,000 foot-pounds of torque with 4-speed settings and work light functionality. Plus Tool Crimping Tool. Secure electrical connections reliably at $15.18, 20% off $18.99. Designed for AWG 22-10 heat shrink connectors, it features ratcheting mechanics and adjustable pressure. Home improvement and comfort. Ring Outdoor Cam, one of the steepest discounts, 50% off, bringing the price down to $39.99 from $79.99. Battery-powered, 1080p video, two-way audio, and color night vision make this a comprehensive surveillance solution. Shark Upright Vacuum NV356E, reduced to $139.99 from $199.99, 30% savings. The lift-away design includes a HEPA filter and specialized pet brush attachment for thorough cleaning throughout your home. Drio Bedroom Fan.
The Turbo Poly 353 costs $69.94, down 13% from $79.99. Whisper quiet operation, 20 decibels, 90-foot airflow capacity, and 8 speed settings suit any sleeping space. Line Blaster Portable Air Conditioner beats summer heat for $189.98, 22% off $244.43. This 8,500 BTU unit cools up to 450 square feet while offering dehumidifying and fan modes with dual turbo airflow. Roborock Ceros 10R. A substantial 38% discount brings this flagship model to $884.99 from $1599.99. Ultra slim design, 3.14 inches, powerful 22,000 PA suction, tangle-free technology, and automatic emptying capabilities. Roborock Q Revo S Pro. Priced at $449.99, 36% savings from $699.99. This dual mop system delivers 18,500 PA suction and self-cleaning mops at 167 degrees Fahrenheit for thorough floor maintenance. Kitchen and air quality. Instant Pot Duo 6-quart. An impressive 41% discount brings this to $64.99 from $109.99. 7 cooking functions: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté, yogurt maker, sterilizer. Levoit Air Purifier Core 300 covers 1,073 square feet for $79.98, 20% off $99.99. HEPA filtration, 56-watt motor, and verified performance make this compact unit reliable for allergen and odor removal. Grill Spark Electric Grill Brush. A remarkable 52% markdown from $89.99 brings the price down significantly. Reciprocating motor delivering 600 to 720 strokes per minute, 21-inch reach, and 3 interchangeable brush heads. Philips Sonicare 5950 series. Improved dental care for $59.96, 45% reduction from $109.99. Pressure sensors protect gums, 6 brushing modes customize your routine, and the 21-day battery life minimizes charging frequency. Avon Dual Channel TENS Machine. Pain management simplified at $20.86, 37% off, $32.99. 20 modes with independent channels allow simultaneous treatment of multiple areas for effective relief. This comprehensive selection covers everything from heavy machinery to home wellness solutions. Whether you're outfitting a workshop, tackling renovation projects, or seeking comfort upgrades, Prime Day offers genuine value across multiple categories. These offers won't last indefinitely. Inventory runs low, and sales end without warning. Bookmark this list, add items to your cart, and act when something catches your eye. Thanks for reviewing these savings with us, and stay tuned for additional deal guides, product reviews, and budget-friendly recommendations. Happy hunting, and see you next time.
Thanks for watching our videos. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.